So, I've come across something that I probably shouldn't have. You know, being a weird fuck, I have come across mukbang, which is where people eat weird shit and lots of it. I mean, weird shit that you don't even think you could possibly eat. But they do. Now you can hear every crunch and everything that they're eating. So I stumbled across this young lady, this young Asian lady by the name of So Young. I probably butchered that. I think that's how you pronounce it. But anyway, she eats weird shit. And I mean weird shit. So, you know what? I thought, why fucking not? Let's react to it. Let's see what weird shit she wants to fucking eat.
안녕하세요.
I have no idea what she's saying.
각종 해산물을 먹어볼 거예요. 일단 멍게. 색깔이 너무 예쁘죠? 해산.
What the hell is that?
이게 하나네. 해산. 그리고
I have no idea.
좋아하는 젖국. 오늘은 개불이 귀여워요.
What the fuck is that?
그리고 마지막으로
Oh my god, dude, there's a fucking octopus. It's fucking alive.
자, 그리고
Are they alive?
산낙지도 먹어보도록 하겠습니다.
No way.
자, 구독, 좋아요.
Oh my god, no, 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 no. She's not gonna eat them. They're fucking alive.
야야야야야, 이것도 잡았어. 나 어떡해. 자,
Okay, so she's put them all in a bowl. She's put the chopping board. What is that? Okay, she's cut it. Dude, it's moving. It's freaking moving. Oh my god, it just fucking... it just... I don't know what the fuck that was, but it just squirted some shit and she's like, oh, oh, oh. I mean... that was a fucking big shot. And she got very excited over that, so, okay. She's just ripping it apart. Okay. What the fuck is that? Okay. Ugh, what the... what the hell is that? What the fuck is... Oh, dude, that's gross. What the hell? No. What the fuck? What the... Okay, that doesn't sound like something you should eat. What? I don't even know what that is. Okay, that looks like an oyster. Okay, she's cleaning an oyster here. Is it an oyster? I don't know, but she's cleaning some fucking weird fucking rock thing. Looks like a fucking vagina. Okay, she's ready to eat now. Alright. Oh, she's excited. She's excited. She's going straight for the octopus. Alright, she's dipping in some sauce. Oh, dude, do you hear that crunch? Dude, she just fucking... She downed that motherfucking octopus leg. Tentacle, whatever the fuck it is. She absolutely fucking mauled that shit. Holy crap. Okay, that must have been good. We're moving on. We're on to... Is that a rock? What the hell is that?
들려요? 갈매기 소리. 바다의 향이 가득해.
She's fuck. What? I don't know, mate. I mean, she's eating rocks and she's acting like it's all fucking fine and shit. I mean, huh. Alrighty then.
이거는 멍게. 이렇게 손질한 거.
Okay, so this must be the skin that she pulled off. Okay, she's excited. She's very excited. She's having a fucking orgasm over this one. Look at that face. That's an orgasm face. She is absolutely loving that.
짜릿하다. 굉장히 짭조름하죠.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, but that was fucking hilarious. I don't know why I found that so funny, but it just was, wasn't it? Ah, fuck me dead. That's fucking hilarious. We shall continue. Alright, we're on to the, oh, so she's taking it out, so she's not eating the shell, thank God for that. I'm thinking that's some sort of like oyster thingy. So that's pretty normal. I could see someone eating that, and she's clearly enjoying it. And I see that. I mean, I'm just glad she's not eating the shell. That'd be pretty fucked up if she ate the shell. I mean, I'll tell you that now. She's not leaving any of that behind. 3 pieces. Oh, whoa, what the fuck, bro? No. What the hell was that? It was moving. It was alive. It was like... Oh, dude, that was like a twitchy for fucking vagina and a little fucking penis moving around. That's what it fucking looked like. Oh, that's fucking mental. So, in this one, she's got a fucking octopus. An eel. Is that an eel? They're alive. Oh my god, she's cooking them alive. Dude, she's just chilling. She's just cooking eels for fun. I mean, at least she's cooking the eels this time. She didn't cook the last lot. She was just fucking eating that shit raw. At least she's cooking the eels. Noodles. Eels. Egg. Chili. Bit of sauce. Okay, so she's got oils and an octopus. No. She's not just gonna bite the fucking octopus, right? I have no idea what the fuck she's saying, but all I got is egg. She's... Whoa, whoa. She's just gonna cut the leg off. Oh my god. Dude, she's not just gonna...
진짜 부드러워. 소스.
Right. I'm lost for words for that one. I'm lost. Okay, so what is she up to now? Okay, she's got the head. No, surely not. Hold on, she's cutting like the head looking thing off. Oh my god. What the? What the hell? She's just mauling the crap out of this octopus. Oh, we need a bit of tentacle as well. You know, the head goes down well with a tentacle. Whoa, she's deep throating that motherfucking thing. Oh my gosh. Jesus. Calm down, woman. Yeah, deep throat the fucking thing. Dude, she's like literally just... Look how much of the fucking head's gone already. There you have it. That's mukbang. I mean, pretty fucked up shit. I mean, whew, kudos to her. I wonder what it'll taste like, but I don't want to try it. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. But yeah, so if you guys ever want to find some weird shit on YouTube or fucking the internet, type in mukbang, see what weird shit you can find people eat. I mean, I just seen some fucked up shit. I don't know. Give us a like, subscribe, and see you guys next video. Peace out.